I'll show you how to install unknown apps on your Firestick. First, navigate to Settings, and then navigate to My Fire TV. Navigate to Developer Options, and then you see it shows Apps from Unknown Sources. You want to select it and turn it on, and then select Turn On. So when using unknown apps, Amazon has a warning. So it states like if you use applications from unknown sources, there's a risk that your Firestick or personal data are less secure, and then there's a risk of like unexpected behavior. And it also states that you agree that you're responsible for like any damage or loss of data from using these applications. So I hope this video helped, so make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel for future videos.